Oh baby, 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 my baby, baby. Charis! Hi guys, this is me again, MJ Amazing, and welcome back to my mini vlog. And ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung anong meron dyan sa mansion na yan. Guys, naalala nyo ba ang Nature Garden? Yan pala ang mansion ni Tao Meng Tse. At sa ibang nakalimot, okay, let's do the recap. Tao Meng Tse was the leader of the F4. His best friends were Hua Tale, Se Menyang, and Feng Meizu. He was a business administration major at Mengde University. In his senior year, Tao Ming-se met Dong Shanchai, whom he fell in love. And grabe guys, I was amazed nung nakita at nilibot ko tong mansion na to ni Tao Ming-se. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga at bigla kong naalala ang aking mga kabataan. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.